Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Uh, right now we are walking in the street in Tokyo, and Dr. Aaron is also along with me, and we are exploring actually Tokyo and looking for some shops. Also we are observing how the Japanese people they live and what time they wake up. So right now around 9:30 in Tokyo, but the streets are almost quiet, calm, no many people. So here you can see shops are almost closed, but I think around 10:30 they will open all these shops. So Dr. Arun is following map, and we are looking for some shop, want to buy something. If we go there we will show you. And this is the Tokyo road. Here one thing we noticed by the cleanliness, the roads are very clean, very professional, and main thing I noticed here, the subway is very deep in underground. uh, Around I think more than 1000 meter or something deep they have the subway network. And in front of us you can see Skytree. We are living near to the Skytree, but now it's a daytime, that's why we cannot see the lights. But this is the tallest I think building in Tokyo, and very famous building. But here you can see uh, the people, they are still sleeping. Why, what do you think?
I don't know by. I think most of the population is not there.
Mm,
There are a lot of homes here. I think we are in a uh, very congested residential place
mm,
in terms of building. But
yes.
in terms of population that I see,
Mm.
it is.
But usually they open shops around 10:30.
So
we
whatever,
see.
you know, at 9:30, the streets being like at 10, I think, the streets being like this is very strange.
So have you seen the which side we go? We checked
Oh, sorry.
this way. Yeah, guys, you can see here. In China, usually, when we go outside, many people they are walking, going to their destinations. But here, majorly, we have seen they have the old
In
population.
Shenzhen, this kind of street you can see at around 5 o'clock.
Exactly. But streets are very clean, and they have managed with the strong planning.
I think somewhere around here there is school. The children are already into school. So
Yes, you are right. We are hearing the children noise.
which means they have already woken up. This is not their.
We
this
go
is not
straight,
early
right?
time for their schedule.
We go straight, right?
Yeah,
Hmm.
this is not early time for their schedule, but
Hmm.
but it's just that the population is low.
Yeah, this is the school. Like here, they are playing. But in fact, this school is different from our schools. In our country, I think our schools are very different. This building is beautiful, bhai.
I think even children
Yeah.
population is very low. That's why.
Yes, you are
Class C
right.
population. Did you see that?
Yes, of course. They have less population. That's why they they are. I think in Japan, another thing I noticed, the people,
Yeah.
they don't talk with each other. They are just quiet. Even in subway, everywhere. They even looks like they don't have any friend. They don't have any relatives. Today, guys, is a strong wind here. That's why we wear jackets. And the temperature is around 17. It feels like 17, but the actual temperature is around 21. And sky is covered with clouds, but the weather is so good. We are fresh, slept well yesterday night, and I show you the outside view. These kind of bicycles are very common in Japan, right? So they are riding these kind of bicycles. In China, the bicycles are different. Many companies, they have the bicycle, but here this is the old one, and this is the another street. You guys see trees are shaking, and the wind is strong. And also 2 days ago they alarmed about typhoon. I think typhoon could be possible in Tokyo. And here you can see this is a tall building, and the roads are very clean. They are very professional. Everywhere we see signals, and the traffic signal, they don't everyone abide by the rules, and it's amazing to see here. And the weather is outstanding, right?
Yeah, right. I think today we won't be tired that much.
Exactly. Yesterday was a hard day for us. We traveled a lot. We used the subway. So at that time we had a luggage, So with luggage is very difficult to travel. So I think if you are coming to Japan, you should keep your low luggage, Don't pick up more luggage, otherwise you will have problem. Because here the taxi is very expensive, so it's better to have a travel on subway and high-speed train. So that's why
And subway requires a lot of stair climbing. We
exactly
cannot find elevator or the escalator everywhere.
in China every subway station have escalator and elevator, but here we see few subway stations they have this kind of system. But
I mean, like the escalator is there, but it is not there in all places
exactly.
because
Hmm. So right now, guys, we are here. We can see some foreigners here, but the local people I didn't see. But some shops they are opening.
I think this street is getting busy.
Exactly.
So it seems like
It's a business.
probably a happening street.
The lights are here in the night. I think it looks beautiful.
Yeah. Maybe we are somewhere around important place. Sensoji temple is here.
Sensoji temple is here.
Maybe I have to check it, but it seems like that.
Exactly. So, guys, if you have chance, must come and visit Tokyo. But China is also beautiful. Personally, I like China. Why? China is great. Everything is available. Everywhere you
course,
have facilities.
Japan is not a great place in terms of accessibility, but Japan culture is something that is great and unique.
Exactly.
So like it may not taste all, it may not suit all the kind of taste, but if you want to explore the cultural aspects, I think Japan is great.
Guys,
But
here is a signal, so we must stop because everyone follow the rules. So we also follow the rules. They have small signals.
especially as a foreigner,
Yeah.
and whether you're from India or Pakistan, you're representing the country,
Yes.
so try to follow the rules of the foreign land.
Exactly.
No, not try. You should.
You should do.
And otherwise, you're
You will
bringing
face
bad
problem.
name to people
you.
who look like you.
Exactly. But we Pakistani and Indians, we should be careful
Yes.
all the time. So guys, this video will be long, so it's better I should wind up here, and I hope that you will like this vlog and our visit to Tokyo. So we have shown you some uh, beautiful, the streets in this city, and also shared some information with you. So thank you so much once again. See you in next vlog. Stay with us. We will have more videos soon because we are going to Mount Fuji tonight, and we will shoot more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.